Hello guys, I am Piyush Kumar and this is my project, an alarm clock. I am using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for making this project. So before I present my project and explain what is exactly happening behind the alarm clock project, let's set an alarm which will be ringing in set time. So now see the alarm has been set. So let me present my project. So project could be divided into three parts. First part contained a digital clock which is updating every second, and the second part contained the setting of multiple alarms, and third part were ringing the various alarms when the times come. For the first part, that is this digital clock which is update in every second, we have created a div in HTML file and function that is update time in JavaScript file. So this function is giving us our minutes and seconds of the current time, and it is displayed in a div in the required div using the statement display. Display is nothing but we have just extracted the element of that div. So this function update time is being called every second so that we could update a clock accordingly. For the second part, that is setting of multiple alarm, we have created this form in HTML file uh, in out which we made up like this. As soon as we click the alarm button, this event is being triggered and the various actions that have been taken so we could get the new alarm timing. As soon as we get the new alarm timing, the new alarm is being pulled into a carry alarm list, which is contain all the alarms that are needed to be played. Along with the pushing it alarm list, we can also calling one on a function that is so new alarm. This new alarm is just creating a new list item so that the new set alarm could be placed be the web page with the delete button. First, we wondering what will happen when you click this delete alarm button. As soon as we click on delete alarm button, another event is called which is removing list item from the web page. And as you know that the new alarm timing is being pushed into the alarm list, we are also need to remove it from the data that new list array. And it can be done using this function. Now comes the most interesting part of this project that is ringing the alarm. So what happens when you need to ring alarm at the same time? So far that we know that we calling this function at every second. So this function not only updates the digital clock, also check if the alarm list which is starting all our alarm timing, include the current time that is no, so it check if it include then the new function that is ringing is called and uh, and audio is played. Okay, now you can see that the alarm was ringing at input timing. What exactly happened? Alarm in input timing, and when I click on stop alarm, the alarm was stopped. Let me first set the alarm. So as soon as I click on stop alarm button, the alarm will be stopped. Another function that is clear alarm function is being called. This function pause the audio and alarm will stop. Thank you.